Okay.
But we import very big things, you know what I'm saying? We brought big cars, you know what I'm saying? That's how I go right here.
Come to somebody, give me an offer, yeah, I does and discuss them. Always stay on something, don't get the player hating, cause your wife ain't wanna suck me. Catch me in the cubby, pulling out the onions, stinking like some onions, getting them off as their money. That's what I'm talking about.
What it be like YouTube, it's your boy L-Bar coming at y'all with another video, you dig? First off, let me say, give an honor to God who's the head of my life, because without God, wouldn't none of this be possible, you dig? But look, I got to put the Lex on wax because I just got a car wash. Now, believe me, all the first videos y'all see this car ain't had no car wash in 2 years. I had it put up for 2 years. I brought it out, what, a month ago. Got all the little stuff I needed to get done at the dealership and all of that. But I ain't never got no car wash. So that first video I made, it wasn't washed. The second video I made of it, it wasn't washed. He bust down now. So now I'm gonna show y'all what it be like. Check him out again, bro. On everything, look at that. Yeah, that's that PC paint custom job all day. He look good though. He ready to ride. Yeah. Hey, PC ain't no joke, man. PC something serious when it come down to this paint, baby. I'm telling you, and the customizing. Yeah. This car ain't number the 04, but I guarantee it can stand up against any 2020 and all of that, baby. On the real. Finish that walk around, cause it's so cold. Like ice. Yeah, it's like the it look like the Florida Ocean or something on everything. This car ride like he ain't got any clothes on the back of it though. He ride brand new, still smooth. Yeah, I just wanted to get the paint though. I just wanted to get y'all to see how it looks when it's washed up. That's all. I don't really want too much of nothing, man. You know what I'm saying? Just wanted to bring out a little quick shot of how you look cleaned up. You know what I'm saying? For y'all to see how that paint really glow. I told y'all it was an anointing spirit over this car, man. The Holy Ghost covering this car all up. You know what I'm saying? You see God blessings all over this car, baby. On everything. On everything! For real though. Hey, but look here, I'm finna end it with that, man, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay prayed up, have a blessed day, stay safe, and stay safe, you know what I'm talking about? And I shout out to all the YouTubers and everybody out there doing their thing that be coming together, man, and make this happen, you know what I'm saying? So, that's on everything, but look here, I'm gonna sign up with that though, you know what I'm saying? Y'all stay prayed up on everything.
Riding like the dirty south, see me on my